In this training video, we'll be going over your company settings. So as you can see, we're in the companies button and then we're in the settings tab. So this is what we'll pull up right here. And as you can see, you've got your logo right here. The way to install your logo, so we'll remove it right now. And this is where you would start off. Set your company logo. So you'd click on right here. And within your computer you'd have your logo. Okay, click on it, upload, and just like that your logo's been uploaded right there. And of course, if you want to remove it, you would remove it by clicking here. This checkoff tab is to give permission to Restoration EIS to display my company's logo on their website and or social media. So you would click on here, which would benefit both. And this is where you'd put in your company name, okay, your street address, and your city, your state, okay, zip code, phone number, company phone number, and your company email, okay. And when you're done with all that, you would click submit, but you do have this side as well. So you want to set this in feet because we're in the United States, obviously, unless you are in another country. Eventually we'll get to that. Set your currency, it's the US dollar. Set your tax rate, okay, so that's easy to do just by clicking on it. O&P, you can set it to whatever percentage you want. That's your overhead and profit. That's what that's for. We've got 10 and 10. You can set that to whatever you want. And then you have your after hours. Now this is specifically for your craftsman line items, okay? We're going to be adding soon here, it's going to say craftsman, so you know that's for your craftsman line items. Now for after hours, craftsman recommends 65% to go for your after hours pricing. So you would set that at 60, okay? And that's how you would do that, or 65. It's up to you, actually. You can actually charge whatever you want for after-hour prices. So this is in percentage. Your license and your tax ID number, okay, which this will show up if you want it to show up on your cover sheet. Okay, this will show up. If you don't want it, either of these to show up, your license or your tax ID number, well, don't put them in. It's up to you. This is where you would update your credit card information. Okay, so you'd click on here, and this is where you could update it. Okay, you put this information in, your card number, your expiration date, your CVC number, postal code, and then you'd click on update. Super easy to use. Okay, we're not needing to do that, but it's there for you. Now, company Cam Authorization. For those of you that are going to be signing up with Company Cam, which is for photos and videos, this is where you would authorize it. So everything with Company Cam would link up with all of your projects. There's another video on this that you'll be able to watch this more specifically, but this is for photos and videos, and you would be subscribed to Company Cam. So that's how that works. So again, once all of this is filled out, then you would click submit, and then you're good to go. So again, you're in the settings tab in your company button, and that's how this all works. To your success, and thank you for watching.